What's that, dude? Got the Traxxas Sledgehammer tyre wheel combo on the MT associated MT rival, recommended by JPX. So I'll see how it goes, man. Whoa. Yeah, the last set of tyres, the stock tyres, they weren't all that on this kind of terrain, innit? Loose terrain and shit. You know what I mean? So bought these ones. Oh shit. Oh yeah, tyres seem alright, man. Lot better than the stock tyres. Would have been slipping and sliding all over the place on this kind of terrain. Graveyard up there and the jump, innit? But I don't want to do that jump because too near to the graveyard, man. Respect the dead and all that, man. Don't make too much noise and shit, man, you know what I mean? Yeah. Looks like that shock's broken again. The armour shock. Yeah, I just super glued it, innit? I super glued it where it broke before. The rod part. The shock end. It's not broken, it's just a shock, the rod end part. You know what I mean? I've got to fix it, sod it. Yeah, I'll fix it, man. I'll get some new ones. You know what I mean? Keep patching it up, it don't work. So, anyway, it's the tyres. I think you could do backflip with this, man. Show me about the shocks. The shock part. The rod, I don't know what, fucking the rod part, the black pit that goes at the end of the the shock shaft. You know what I mean? Yeah, tyres alright, man. Oh, yes. Oh, jeez. Full on. Full on. Hey, that's a cross on there, bruv. Is that a cross? Don't tell me that's a grave. That's a grave. Can't be, man. They're doing it up, I think. They're doing this place up. They're extending the graveyard, I think. This is still the same pit where I bash. The pit is down there, innit? This is further up. You know what I mean? This is towards, I think it's the front end. The entrance is up there somewhere. You know what I mean? So, oh. My finger, my fucking finger, my throttle finger come out the throttle stick, man. My finger slipped. I could have landed that, man, or done a backflip, but my finger slipped. Yeah, I gotta fix the shocks, man. The front shock, get the shock bit. It's because of the shock, isn't it? It's spinning around. Take it on the grass, man. Yeah, because of the shock. I gotta fix the shock. Just take it off road. Yeah, tyres are good. Right, this car's nippy, man. Shit, tumble rumble. This car's nippy, fast. And the tyres, it's bigger tyres, isn't it? Than the stock tyres. The Sledgehammers are bigger, taller and whatnot, so get a bit more speed, I expect. So yeah, all this, they're doing some work here, man. You know what I mean? They're either extending the graveyard or doing something. Where's the shop bit? It's the end bit, the end black bit, isn't it? It's still in there. It's in there, look. It's in there, it's still in there. All I did was super glue the fucking thing, man. I've got to get a new one. This thing's a fucking animal. I just got to sort the shock bit out, man. It's an animal, working with three shocks. Working with three shocks and it's still a fucking animal, man. Excuse my French. You know what I mean? Look at it. Oh, yes, sir. 3 shocks, bruv. Oh, yes, landed that backflip, lad. Landed the backflip. I knew you could do a backflip. These are tyres, man. Landed the backflip. Yeah, let's bring it on because with the broken shock, it's not working properly on this terrain, innit? Because the shock's broken. Because it was working before. It was working before the shock broke. So yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. He's a beast. Still going. Yeah, let's bring it back, man. Because I'm only running 4,500 miles, 3S. 3S in the feet. You know what I mean? Yeah, that was an alright run, man, despite the shock broke. Well, the end bit. The shock shaft ain't broken, it's the end part, isn't it? The hole is slightly big for the shock shaft, so I just super glued the bloody thing, man. But it didn't last. So, anyway. Yeah, not bad run considering the shock broke.